Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we have this 2010 Volkswagen Passat, and what we are doing is we are replacing the rear brake pads. So we wanna loosen the lug nuts, jack the car up, put her safely on jag stands, and remove the tire. This vehicle has the electronic handbrake, so I'm using my trusty iCarsoft CR Plus to set the calipers into service mode, and then after the work is done we set the calipers out of service mode. We will be using a 13mm on this bolt, and we want to counter hold using a 16mm spanner. Like so, and on the bottom and we want to relieve the tension on the piston by using a prying tool of some sort. Stick it in this opening right here and pry against the outer pad. Like so. Now the caliper is totally free. Just place her up out of the way. And now we can use our piston compressing tool. And this should go fairly easy. And it does. And when you feel it stop, and you're good. Like so. Keep her out of the way. And now we can remove the pads. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. And we remove these shims because the package came with new ones. Now we want to clean the area. And now we can replace the shims. Like so. So we take our inner pad, like so, and we take the outer pad, snap it into place. Like so. Now it's time for the caliper. And we take our new bolts. Hey, that's it. Now it's just a matter of replacing the wheel and tire, put her back to the ground, and set the calipers out of service mode. Don't forget to pump the brakes and try the parking brake before you go anywhere. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.